Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will see the setup for the BDD Cucumber framework for the Maven build tool. So BDD is the behavior driven development, and that we are using the Cucumber framework. For this Cucumber framework, we are using the Maven as a build tool. How to create a project with the Maven build tool? Just launch the IDE. Click on File, New, in the project. So if you create directly in the Java project, it will take you to for normal simple Java program. See, if I go here, if I click on the finish, it will take you the simple Java program. But I don't want this, right? Because I want to create a Maven build tool. So in that case, we need to create a project. Click on New and click on Other option here. Here you can see either you can create a Gradle project, or see by default we can go for the Java project, or you can go for a different kind of project we can create. It may be a Gradle, or it can be a Java or Maven. So but our intention here is to create a Maven project. So I'm clicking on this Maven project and next. So once you click on that, you will get this window. This is a simple project I'm creating. So I'm clicking on this create a simple project, because it will create some skeleton for me. So it will be easy for me to go through. I'm clicking on next. Now it will ask for the artifact. You can give the, let me give a Cucumber demo something. Okay. So you can give the same name for the artifact ID as well. So no need to give anything here. It will allow you to go to the next step. Just click on finish. Once you click on finish, so it will, now it is started generating this Maven project for you. Once you expand it, see, it will give the some basic setup for this framework structure. So right now I don't want this these two folders, Java main, as source for src folder, we have main and Java folder, and again src main resource. These two folder I don't want, so I'm deleting these two. Okay, you can keep it whichever is required for you. Let me delete these two, and rest all we required. See, this one we can create for our step definition for the Cucumber framework. This one we can use it for our feature file creations. And Java, as we have created a project with the Java. So let me remove, see, as it is showing the Java 1.5. So let me make it into upgrade into 1.8. So build tool, go to the config. See, sometime by default it will be 1.8 only. If it is not 1.8, you can remove this and you can add as a add library. You go with the select the JRE system library, click on next, and it will select by default JDK 1.8. So select this one. So if you didn't select 1.8, some of the functionality you will miss during the program while scripting it. Okay, while scripting or program executions. So now it is showing 1.8. Now it is fine. Now it has a src folder and target folder. You will come to know in upcoming videos like what are the use of these two. And now as we are concentrated on the Maven build tool, see, we have some form.xml is generated by default. Just click on that, it will open this. So for now, just make sure that these should be available, some project and Maven version and model versions, group ID, artifact ID and version. These should be available. For now, you make it something like this only. Going forward, we'll come to know what are the use of it, and we'll explain in details. Okay, now here inside we need to add the dependencies. So what is the dependency? Suppose if you didn't use the Maven project, what will happen? For every time, suppose I want to add some selenium library. So in that case, what we'll do, usually we'll click on this build project and config build path and add external library, and we'll add wherever we have downloaded in our local file. Usually we'll go to the Google and download the selenium jars, and we'll keep it in our local folder. Through this add external jars, we are again, you are fetching those jars and you will add it. So those files will be added over in some other folders will be created and it will be available there. Again, suppose you want some other, if you want to work with the XML related IO files, right? So again, you need to download it separately for the Google and pom.xml or Apache Py. You need to download those XML related files and you need to save it into your local. Then you can, again, you should go to the same place. You should go here again, go to the build path. Just a minute. Again, you should go to the build path. I should add. Suppose today we are using Selenium jar. If suppose you have downloaded suppose 3.19, maybe in future you may require 4 point something. Maybe you may require 4 point something, right? So in that case, again, we need to remove that existing build path, means remove existing whichever you added in the jar file. Again, you need to download it from Google 1.4 point, whichever required version. Then again, you need to go to here, the build path, and you need to download it again. We need to add those jar files here. This is the repetitive task. It is very headache work, right? So instead of this, it is very difficult to manage the framework. So instead of that, we are come up with the Maven build tool. So in that, we need to add the dependency on that. Let me show you. You go to the Google page, just type the Maven repository. Click on this. It will show you the Maven repository link here. Maven repository search browse explore. Just click on this. So here, whichever the jar files available, everything is available here. Just we need to search which one you want and you can get it done, right? So suppose I want here Selenium files, because suppose I need to work on the Selenium. Okay, I want Selenium. Type here and just click on enter. Now we'll get Java Selenium. As I am working on Java Selenium, click on Java Selenium link. It will show all the latest version is available here. Right now the Selenium, as while recording this video, the Selenium latest version is 4.13. Okay, you can click on the latest version. It will navigate to the next page, that is here, right? So here you can see the different build tool, that is Maven, Gradle short, no, the STB, IVY. So these are all the different build tool you are using. So as we are concentrating on Maven, so click on this first tab. By default, it will be Maven only. But if it is not navigated to the Maven, you can click on the Maven tab and copy this code. This is the code available dependency they have provided for us, right? Just copy this code. Go back to the Eclipse. Here we need to paste. But these dependencies should be inside the dependencies tag. Okay, so let me add dependencies tag here. So it is dependencies tag, and this tag should be closed here. And inside these dependencies tag, we need to add our dependency, which one we are using, right? Yeah, this one. So now it is done. So now we have added one Selenium dependency. This means whenever we add and save it here, right? Whenever you add and save, it will start build our workspace. See here, whenever you added here, you can see here in the framework structure, we can see Maven dependency folder created. Inside, you can see all the Selenium 4.13 related jar files available here. Okay, it is automatically downloading. Tomorrow, suppose you want to downgrade the Selenium version or upgrade, simply we need to update here. Suppose I want 3.14 something. Just add it and save it. Automatically, it will go and download only 3.18. Okay, let me make it 4.13 for now. So this will be easy process. No need to every time you need to go. No need to go to Google and download the specific jar files, and again you need to uploading into the framework. This will be tedious task. So this is the better way we can do it. So right now I have added the Selenium. Again, as we are concentrating on the Cucumber, I want a Cucumber related jar files, right? So let me go to the same place, Maven repository, just type Cucumber and enter. So you can see the Cucumber Java. So as we are concentrating on this, I need a Cucumber JVM Java. So take the latest version. Now 7.14 is their latest version. Clicking on that, again selecting this Maven dependency. Let me go back to my Eclipse. See, one more dependency I am pasting here. Okay, inside these dependencies tag, we need to add our all dependencies. Okay, this is done. As soon as I save this one, see, you can see Cucumber related also will get saved here. Cucumber related will also download it. So you can see the Cucumber 7.14 version is downloaded. Right? This is the advantages of the Maven Cucumber framework. Sorry, Maven build tool. Now you need to see how we can add the feature file. In the resource folder, let me create one folder. Go to new, create a folder. Just I am making the framework structure. Okay. So inside resources, I am creating one file called folder called features. Click on finish. It is created. Now I need to click on the feature file. So Cucumber, I will explain you what is the feature file and all. Inside the folders, I am creating one file. Let me say login dot. It should be extension will be features. Okay. Extension will be feature. Click on finish. Now you can see login.feature file got created. This login.feature, this file is automatically created with some data, right? Some data got created. So right now I'm deleting these commented lines because they are just saying some information. What are the tags are available in features file. So we'll see one by one in the upcoming video. We need to explain more on these tags. Right now you concentrate about here. There is a feature tag, scenario and scenario outlines, and tags are added. Why these are required and what is the difference between scenario and why we need to use this example, when we need to use everything we'll discuss in the upcoming videos. Now this video just to make the setup, everything is ready. So once you're able to create a login features, make sure that your setup is ready. Okay. Now in the next video, we'll create one simple login functions and we'll try to run that. That's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel for further useful videos. Thank you.